Hey guys, my name is Clint Heffern. I'm a motivator and a coach, but I'm also still learning and not perfect, so I'm also a student as well. I feel I'm good at problem solving when I can be organized and kind of have some time to evaluate all options and look at all the options and facts and information about a decision before making a decision. I am currently a social studies teacher and football and basketball coach at St. Mary's Colgan Catholic High School in Pittsburgh, Kansas, in the southeast part of Kansas. I'm also taking on new this year. I'm going to be the junior high AD, so getting a little taste of administration and seeing what that's all about. But so far, I've had a good experience with it. Um, I believe what's important with regards to school community relations is showing the worth from both sides. So, yeah, showing the community and businesses and places outside the school how they can help us and help the students. And also, I feel like we need to, as the school, we need to get our students out into the community and out into the businesses and the teachers as well and the administration as well, but show the businesses and the community how we can help them as well so that they don't always I know with businesses they get hit on a lot for wanting donations or making a donation or contributing to this organization or this sports team or this fund, whatever. And although that is the case and that is extremely helpful, I think if we can get out into the community and show that we can help them and we are willing to, do some volunteer work for them or partner with them in some regard, that it will we will get a better response from them. So it's not just them helping us, which is definitely needed in school community relations, but also showing how we can help them. Uh, Especially being at a small school, Colgan is a 1A, 2A school, small community. It's oftentimes, I feel like, the town and the community, there's a lot of talk about what's going on with the school. So, definitely important. I think it gets magnified in a small school like Colgan and a small place like this. So, those school community relations and relationships are definitely vital. Again, I'm Clint Heffern, and I'm looking forward to working with you guys in this class. Uh, Thank you.